What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Bond's Apartment. I, of course, am Luke. Quick little video for you guys today. It's actually a watch strap review from a company called Helvetus. So a little more about the brand. So the brand is Switzerland's premier watch strap store. They have straps for various different brands, everything from Bell & Ross to Blancpain to Breitling to Omega to Rolex to Seiko to Tag Heuer. They offer rubber straps, sailcloth, alligator, leather, suede, and ostrich straps, different accessories, tools, buckles, watch boxes, watch cases, watch rolls. As I said, what kind of attracted me to this website in the first place was this strap finder tool. So I went in there, punched in Omega, and then Omega times swatch, looked for a couple different versions, saw the moon swatch versions, saw the swatch versions. The moon swatch versions are, of course, a lot more affordable, $49 to $60 US. And then the the Speedmaster version is obviously a little more pricey, around $130. But the strap itself is extremely light and really, really good quality. And as you can see, it's a strap that is made specifically for the moon swatch or the Speedmaster. When you see it kind of curve in like that and actually form around the face, that means it was made specifically for this watch. The strap itself is built featuring Luxe Line technology. Crafted from soft, allergy-free rubber, it's built for comfort and performance, ideal for both active days and refined occasions. Right now, they're offering, if you buy 2, you save 15%. If you buy 3, you save 25%. They offer a lifetime warranty, free express shipping, and no import fees. That is huge right now with the tariffs and all these different things. Obviously, seeing price hikes on watches themselves, you don't have to worry about this with these straps. Now, the strap itself. So this one, it's all black. It has a white stripe going down the center. It's perfect for this dark side of the moon version of the moon swatch. I know it's not called dark side of the moon, but that's what it looks like to me. It does it have Snoopy in it? It does have Snoopy in it. Yeah, Snoopy's in this one. So this is like Mission to the Moon, all black version. But when I got this watch, I know I needed a black strap for it. So I do have a black sailcloth strap from a different company, but I wanted a rubber strap as well. Going to Florida in a few days, this is extremely lightweight. It's going to be perfect for that. Still like 90 degrees down in Florida right now, so this is perfect for that. I love the way it fits. Doesn't feel like you have anything on when you put it on, and it's huge when it comes to wearing the moon swatch, which is already extremely light. When you put this on, it truly feels like there's nothing on your wrist. See, as you can tell, matches very, very well with that black and white. The tachymeter on this is all white. This watch in itself, there's only black and white, so this strap is perfect for that. Make sure you check them out, Helvetus straps. The strap finder tool is excellent. You can find a strap for any watch, pretty much any price point as well. If you want to go on the high end, more of the lower end, you got everything you can find. Accessories, like I said, free express shipping, no import fees. Can't really beat it. Check them out. Link is below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.